Just because it's been a struggle. I've just stayed away and I've just tried to heal.
Ile 1.5 ng wakulaw ka nga. 1.1
Amen. Just another day, another breakfast. Making her some brekkie. I had to go to the shop real quick because we run out of groceries. So, yeah. Waiting for our barman to come and do our bar. I'll go out and show you guys soon. Maybe at lunchtime. I forgot to show you guys the before he starts taking down the gate. Hold on.
Moli moli taiyatu ae walo faiso semea.
And I thought we'd come outside and sit in the sun, shining in my eyes. Got Toddy Boy on call, playing some dummy. Things over there doing our fence. Just got back from Bunnings and breakfast at Dobby's. I went and picked up my order for the grass stuff. I want to give you guys a before. A nice little before. Look at this grass. Look at this. Hey, baby. Look at this grass. It's not really grassing at the moment. So we're just taking off the nets first. There's like nets in the ground. Good morning, guys. Oh my goodness. I did come down with something. My whole family has it. I can hear Siaosis starting to cough. Old lady starting to cough. That's the biggest worry for us. We do not want her to get sick. And she's going back home in a couple of weeks. I have not uploaded a video since she's been here. I just have lost all motivation for everything. Anything and everything that I've ever enjoyed. My sparkle is just not there. It's a full-on house reset, backyard reset day. I just got our lawnmower out that my friend kindly gifted us like ages ago. I think I posted it on a vlog, and I want to show you guys the progress of this grass. Cleaned inside the house, like the rain-chilled microwave, dusting TV unit, wiping it. Siaosis has been such a great help today, helping me with everything. Aussie's up on the roof, cleaning the gutters because there's been a leak from all the storms, and insurance has taken care of that, but we do just need to make sure the gutters are cleaned. And before my battery dies, wow, amazing. Look at my grass. It's so pretty. This is the Ryobi electric one. I think electric lawnmower was a trash, but it was free, so I can't complain. So we're having breakfast now. Prepared our breakfast. Mum came over for it. But I want to show you the grass after it's been mowed. Oh, look how cute it looks. That looks absolutely trash, actually. Aussie was just so rough with it. Morning everybody. It's been a while. I got no excuse. Well, it's not really something that I want to elaborate on too much. I generally don't like coming on here and putting on a front, especially when I don't feel the best. I don't feel what I'm doing. I don't feel what I'm saying. I don't like being fake. I don't particularly like fake people. So it's kept me away, and just because I don't want to come up here and just front. I've wanted to vlog. I have wanted to come back so bad. It's been a couple of months and I've held on to vlogs for the last few months. Well, I haven't posted any vlogs and barely vlogged since Mum Becca's returned this year, 2025, and that's the reason why I haven't been able to upload any vlogs, just because it's been a struggle, and I'm not one to ever try and make money on my demise, on my struggle, on my mental health. So I've just stayed away and I've just tried to heal before coming back on, but I'm feeling like I'm getting there. I've been trying to do a lot more, put myself out there again and pick up the camera again. You guys have missed out on so much and I'm so sorry for that, but I'm gonna try and make up for it in this last week. She's got 7 more days with us. She leaves on Sunday, this Sunday, and I'm really sad about it. Like, just everything that she does, she's been such a great help to me, to us, just her heart to like serve and to help her kids. She's already done all her fe'aus and she's just sitting there waiting for everyone to wake up, and I'm going to miss her so much. Mum, if you're watching this in Samoa, manguia lavalo malanga masalo wo levanga e kaungu ku Samoa. Ia ole alo whakelea kua siau whanga mo oe, misia fo I oe kako whale. I mea o mai ke whaia. She's literally in the sitting room and I'm sitting here crying. But I'm just thinking about when she goes, like, mea o mai ke whaia kako whale, le kai kai ngalo, he le mwhainga ngalo. It's a pretty dull day today. It's really, really, really cold. It was like 1 degree this morning. Guys, I'm just making Mum and I breakfast. Toddy? Yeah! Good boy. After I got the last clip, we actually went to the mall and did some last minute shopping. I replaced my PS5 controller because the X button stopped working, but I barely play it, so it was covered under warranty. Bobby, so wait. Then I had a shower, made dinner, and now I'm playing Gomi with the old lady. Morning everyone. I was just about to go out and show you guys. Just tell her to just relax. I think the degrees at the moment is like probably 5 degrees Celsius, that is, for the Americans. So it's freezing cold. Look how clean my yard is. Mum is such a blessing. She truly is. And she's like, ala uma. Bengi whatever I so kima, I so faima so urwa.
Agora eu vou café.
La afasu kasi Samoa.
This
is the last trip of her visa, so we'll have to apply again for her to come back. So that's why it's a little bit more real for us this time, because we don't know when that will be. This is the dog food that we get. It's around $2.50. We try to get him on like eating a one-time meal basis. He didn't try very hard, by the way, and Mr. was not having it. He was just hunger puking all about, like crying, barking. It was so sad seeing him that way. And if you know Aussie, you know for sure he's not about letting his dog suffer. So even though I haven't been vlogging, this is pretty much my daily routine. I wake up, I help do some chores before I go, and then I make her breakfast, and then I go. I wash them like on a weekly basis. That's how much we play. Marinate and then put them out to dry. Si ko iki fai ka. Si kala break fai la ya ka
O ke pole, o ke whenga wenga. Ke mara whai me ai karia. Aya. Karia rui siang mea ruo ma whai.
My grass, guys. Looks so nice. Look at it, beautiful. Making me and Mum a smoothie. Yeah. We're about to have our breakfast now. Bear's down there. Hi, Queenie Bum. Yep. Honey. This is the end result. It's actually so nice. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a really light brown. Oh, you can definitely tell in this lighting. And it's so nice. It did a pretty good job for someone who had no idea what she was doing. Guys, it's actually so late. It's 9:10 and we're just sitting down to have dinner. Just got back from drying our washing. I mean, we could have let it hang in the house for like 5 days, but who wants to see that for 5 days? And then Laura kindly shouted us dinner tonight. Thanks, Jeroa. And then we got some groceries because we got some visitors coming tomorrow.
It's so much.
Hey guys, just got home from work not long ago. We got a full house over here. Our very special visitors. Our very special visitors here. We're making dinner at the moment. And then you just snap it. Yeah. Yeah. So on the menu tonight we have some lamb chops with pumpkin, and then making corn with a stir fry. I don't think the bowl is big enough. Excuse me, is this Deborah? We bought an air bed. We've done a little bit of a relocation of our tenants. Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Hey, Siaosis, look, oi. Oi nga, mo fuai ko le ni se o kama wa la be a wa nga le o ya.
Ele xiawa no le awela kwa vika piki mo ele tiki ya kare. Aya, ela kwa chei mo piki ya ele tiki ya.
Akaya uile tiki ya o se au. Tapi ya pika ma au mo ya ko. Sapenga ai
Are you really going to Samoa if you don't sit on top of the suitcase? Vez is going to go all the way to Samoa.
Yeah, malo ape la amelo no uru Yeah, we getting ready to go now to Samoa. Samoa. Ai sau ulu sau miki sau. So alai sau sau.
Na wari Samoa. Ia, o le mātou whakasi ma se whāngau lea asi aku Samoa mo koe sau e fo lea i no hu.
O pe fia.
Ko fia. A raka ke a rufa se whāngau lea ma ke mo.
Fia koe whangongo.
Se whāngau lea lea e awhi. Ina māku au. Ua aru ngi aso o hidi mai māku au. Usi na māku au.
Cha, kupen manager.
Dua fi.
Vem cá.
Kasi ua.
Bolu pa.
Kai lava.
Ia acho muri ngai marquinha. Ele não foi pegar sal ia. Moli akula lo formal. Vai ficar ia assim mais nele como que ele é para marcar. É mais não mauro você lá quer não. Ia no faco ia. O sal está no café. Ia faz.
This one, what are you gonna say?
Konnichiwa. E vai se calar perco.
He's like, vai isso caio, para mim não me pode isso cala.
Pakau ya we.
Nisi umalafa ko kala no ka inga yo. We're gonna do ours together.
Yeah, you do it for us.
No. Okay, I just want to wish Mum a very safe trip. It's been a great 3 months. I'm gonna miss her so much around the house. It's the small things around the house that she helps a lot with. I'm gonna miss her personality, and I want to keep it short and simple because I'm gonna start crying soon. But Mangwialo Malanga Mum, I'm gonna miss you a lot, and I love you very much.
Catch up. Samu.
Welcome guys, it's your boy Chochi over here. We're just here at the airport. Oi fia lá no Marcham, ah.
Ia ai whanongo ko lesi kua. Na waru ai kia i o kōri. Skaria. Ai, kanu ia kua kua mai te kako whira i fia. Whaku mai mā kua. O hiki ia mai o mausu. Kai rewa mureanga teimi rea kuwhurua.
E alofa atu mautou malava na, o alofa na, o alofa nei. Mai o boy Chochi over here. Pizza.
Ya, talofa. Ya ua i le maravalele i Kempra. Mai whae i le tina le atu malanga atu Samoa. Manai al mafutanga i nei, o tina ia. Amisia o ia, na le aisesi e tote ala mai o lai nofo atu i fafo.
Le sesi ala mai le whala i a fua moa.
Ni al malanga mam. Wai le 1.5 ngā waku lau kanga.
1.1 million.
Ya, konue te lea sa pati pai o le li. Whāsoi fua.
Ia, kako whamawara ma le la watu.
Say no. Petra. Guys, it's super sad. Just seeing her go on her own, like, I kind of regret letting her go on her own. It was Sika's fault. She was meant to take her.
This is one's fault. Does it want to go to Samoa?
Ano fongat? Kung may Samoa.
Oh, what's going on?
You should see your face on the camera. You cry more than I do.
Because I spend the most time with her than you two. Pretty freaking sad.
So sad, eh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss my mom so much.
A lot. Oh my gosh. She keeps waving over here, trying to tell us to go. She doesn't want us to be waiting around for her. But we want to wait till she actually boards the flight. I'm gonna miss her a lot. And we're going to definitely feel her absence.
Hey, why am I going to load it?
There's Mum. Pa. She just went on the plane, guys. It's super sad seeing her walk off by herself. We're here having lunch now. Kind of sad without Mum. She always gets the fish and chips. That's her favorite. Well, I got the snitty, chicken wings, steak, pasta, and snitty.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Is it? Nice. Koi fai lo kala na fai o le airport.
But they are so wrong. In my heart, I rejoice. Is the roof of the body and a good place to sleep. There's food on my table. Thank you, Lord, for your blessing.
Malone, fa via malone, ciao, papà.